It's game day, and suddenly your TV's sound's not working?
Now that's a party foul. I'm Mia, and while I don't know that much about sports, I am the quarterback of TV troubleshooting. That's football, right?
Check that your sound settings are configured properly, and if you have an external speaker, check that it's connected. You can also swap cables, settings, and devices to rule out broken components and identify where the problem is coming from.
Still not sure what's wrong with your TV? Reach out for reinforcements at your local U-Break I Fixed by Asurion.